Hi viewers, welcome to Good Info channel. Today I will teach you about how to fill Form 10E in ITR. So, who are all eligible for filling Form 10E? This means if you have received arrears salary or family pension, otherwise advance salary or else gratuity or compensation or pension commutation. If you have received any one of these, then you should have to file Form 10E to get tax rebate under Section 89. So I will tell you about how to fill this Form 10E. Come on. Now we have logged into our ITR filing website. So after finishing your entire ITR processes, just click on Total Tax Liability. If you are new to this page, you don't know how to file your ITR 1, then we have just launched one more video about filing ITR 1. I will give you that link in the description. Just watch and fill your ITR on your own. See, this is how we have filed our ITR 1. After filing entire ITR process, this is my tax payable, which means after each and every tax relief. So now I have some amount received as arrears. So I want to get some relief under section this 18(9). So for which I should have to fill Form 10E. So before proceeding for Form 10E, you should have to carry some of your data, which will be like. So presently we are filling this ITR for 2024-25 assessment year or else financial year 2023-24. So total taxable income I have received in this Form 16, latest Form 16 is this much, and as arrears I have received this much. So the total taxable income arrears without accepting this arrears will be this much amount. And arrears data, I have received the arrears for the assessment year 23-24, which is the financial year 22-23. So we need these three data, which is this arrears amount already available with you, and we need the total taxable income of that relevant previous year, which means this year, this one 23-24, and the tax liability. What was the tax you have paid for your particular assessment year, which means that financial year. You can get it from your income tax website itself. I will show you how to download your pre-filled data. Log into your ITR filling page, then e-file, income tax returns, view, file the returns. Just click on this. See, here you can see your entire ITR filled data. Now I need the data only for assessment year 23 and 24. For this assessment year only I have received arrears. So I am just downloading the form. You can download any form or receipt, that's as per your wish, which one is comfortable. So I am downloading that form. That form is downloaded. See, you can check here. The total taxable income for that particular year was 513140. Just copy and paste it here. Then the arrears amount, which is already available here, and the tax liability that will be available under. See, the total tax, interest and fees payable 15733. I have paid 30,000 earlier, then I made ITR, then I got 14,290. Just leave all these pages. This is the total tax paid by me, that is 15733. Just copy and paste this value here. Okay, now you have this entire data. No need for Excel sheet also. You can just note it down in some paper also. Just do it and proceed with Form 10E. Click on Form 10E. It will be redirected to another page. See, you will be redirected to this page. Here, persons without business or professional income. Just click here. See, here is the form 10E. Yes, we have reached this place. See, select your concerned assessment year, which means present assessment year. Continue. Let's get started. Just select your criteria. I have received arrears. If you have received any advance salary or gratuity, any other means, you can select the concerned one. I have received arrears, so I am clicking on arrears. Continue. See, here you should have to fill 3 columns. One is personal information and arrears details, then verification. So first click on personal information. See, here you can see all your personal details. In case of any correction in these details, just click here in my profile and you can edit it also. For me, everything is correct, so I am clicking on save. Now personal information is completed. Then click on arrears or salary. So just enter the details as it is. Total taxable income, which means present year, as per your new form 16. What was your salary excluding arrears? We have that data here. Total taxable income except arrears salary. Just enter the same value. We have entered the data. Just leave all the columns. The system calculated values will be automatically added. Just come to this place, that serial number 6, add details. Just add your click on add details. See, here you should not select your assessment year, you should select your financial year for which you have received some arrears. For me, that financial year will be 22-23. So I am selecting 22-23. Total income of that relevant previous year. We have the data. Total income of that particular relevant years. It will be this one. Just enter the same value. Then that arrear amount what was received in your recent form 16. We have that data also. See this one. We have entered the data. See, the system automatically calculated all the values in this column, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th column. You should enter the tax amount which was paid by you for that previous year, which means we have received arrears for this financial year. In the concerned year, we have paid this much tax. If your tax was 0, then enter it as 0. For me, I have paid this much amount, so I am just entering the same value. Okay, then as per our new total income, system calculate this much amount of tax. So for me, the same this value is correct. If in case of any discrepancy, you can enter your own value. So I have entered my value, and the system made a difference in tax, and it was automatically calculated by the system. And just click on add. So now your value was calculated and the total tax also calculated. Just check. This is what we actually want. Relief under section 89 7678. I am eligible to claim 7678 rupees under the column section 89. So just note down this value 7678 and click on save. So it is perfectly done. Now the verification process will be started. Click on verification details. Now the verification process is started. Just click on this checkbox and enter your place. Then click on save. See all 3 columns completed. Then click on preview. You can check the all pre-filled data here and see 7678 will be our relief under section 89. So note this value and proceed to e-verify. Just click yes on this confirmation message. You have multiple columns like your ITR one verifying. So I am selecting Aadhaar one. Just click on continue. Click on the checkbox generate Aadhaar OTP. Just enter the OTP value. Enter this value and validate it. Click yes on this confirmation message. Now you can see that our Form 10E is submitted successfully. That's all. Go to the dashboard and proceed with the 89 relief section. Now we have filed our Form 10E. Then the final amount which we have got earlier is 7678. That is relief under section 89. Just enter that value. See, it's giving the warning message, but we have submitted, so no issues for that. Before my 10E, it will be 24,000 something. After giving my 10E value, see my taxes fully excluded from the present tax value. So this is how you should fill your 10E. For example, if your value is 7,600, but here you have only 7,000 as your maximum tax, then you should have to enter that 7,000 only. The value which you are entering here, that should be equal to the total tax and cess. Otherwise, it should be below the total tax and cess value. That's all. Thank you for watching.